get up in the front pit.
Oh, it shut off on him.
Yeah, I think he was going so fast he put on the brakes. He'll fire it back up and continue.
Jason Esther out of Elderson. If you don't see, they have four-wheel steering on the back.
All right, get your cameras ready.
Oh, he didn't make it!
Uh-oh.
Delaware.
I saw the one ball in the live class.
He's going up top.
Put the mega up, right? He's okay.
Everyone to move back from the fences. Everyone to move back from the fences behind the white barrels. All right, here we go.
There you go.
Hood went out.
don't believe this one has to be here, Daniel. I guarantee.
Dave
Second
Zia.
will go to Jordan Fisher, 39.873. Then Blaine Hitchens, 40.616. Eminem, 62.62. Matt Griggins and Jace Nestor did not finish. Congratulations to Dave Zia.
Here we go. That's when you're going to go. Ready? Here we go, fans. Join me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! And they're off. They're going to grab one cup. One cup only. 20s and 50s out there. Oh, you missed it.
He missed it. First one through the pit.
We got some winners. Let's give a round of applause down there.
We got one stuck at the beginning.
You want them to gather up for a photo at all? Here we go. Let's count the ladies down and release them. Go get the money. Girls only get one cup. That's all you get. Choose carefully. Here we go. 5, 4, go!
Losing him in the mud with the fronts. Oh, on the outside.
One cup, 2. There's the third one. Yes, first 3 up there got all 3 cups. Congratulations, ladies.
No, it's just actually.
Yeah. Nice.
4.977 for Logan Click in the 76 F-150 out of Tannytown. He had a 460 in it. Well, that was short-lived.
Robbie Smith.
Yeah. I think he shifted.
5,200 somewhere there.
$58.
54 feet 3 inches.
43 inches.
Tonka toy, he calls it.
It's great.
Oh, yeah.
Is it on? Black grinded, that didn't sound great.
What transmission filters before?
I think it's just begging for mercy.
Hey, it's running smooth like a sewing machine down there, I'll tell you.
It's quiet, you can barely hear it.
Uh-oh, he broke something.
Yeah, that's not.
He's hoping to have a friend.
Well, he did go 53 feet 3 inches.
I respect that.
Very nice number. That'll put him in 3rd right now.
Further than a Jeep. Okay.
No.
And I'll put a week of your payoff.
Got the gear.
Still inching.
There he is. What did I say, 64 foot?
I think you're going to be close, Andy. I mean, we already beat that guy down there and said he's going to go about that far, so you lost. This guy over here in the green shirt, he might be right. Third place, 6'0", 6 inches. 60 feet, 6 inches. We got a new third place. I'm going to take 33 feet.
This is a Grand Cherokee, though, not a regular Cherokee.
Oh, that 35 feet.
I thought it was Grand. Come on, Grand Cherokee.
Very slow.
He can move all he wants. He can try all he wants. We're going to measure maybe a regular Cherokee would have gone further. Almost had to.
I mean, a Comanche went further.
What is Grand?
Yeah, Grand wasn't wrong.
Not red.
I mean, that was the most expensive one out there, right?
Yeah, could have been.
Has options like button windows. So this Ford number 1, Logan Click, congratulations. Number 2, we're looking at Jeep Comanche, Dustin Bowers, out of Maryland. So nice job, Maryland, taking first and second and third place in the place of Robbie Smith with his Chevrolet. Maryland, and fourth goes to the Tonka Tour, Toy Edward Sprague, out of Pennsylvania. So Maryland making a strong showing, Ford and Jeep making a strong showing. So nice job with that. All right, fans, thank you very much for coming out here tonight. I believe that's a wrap as far as the entertainment here at this